Ever wondered why cruise ships treat things like baby monitors or laser pointers like contraband? Buckle up as we reveal 12 weird rules that turn harmless gadgets and goodies into forbidden cargo, keeping your vacation smooth but surprisingly strict. Imagine handing over your suitcase at embarkation, only for security to confiscate your iron or even your wheelchair if it's not pre-approved. Join me as we uncover 12 bizarre cruise ship bans you never saw coming, complete with the wild reasons behind them. Hey everyone, welcome back to Cruise Compass, where we spill the tea on all things travel, from hidden gems to the quirky side of vacations. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the high seas with a topic that's equal parts fascinating and frustrating. 12 bizarre cruise ship rules you didn't know existed. Specifically, we're talking about banned items that might seem totally harmless, but could land you in hot water, or worse, get you denied boarding. These rules vary slightly by cruise line, like Carnival, Royal Caribbean, or Norwegian, but they're pretty standard across the board for safety, security, and sometimes just plain common sense. We'll count them down from 12 to 1, explaining what each item is and why it's on the no-fly or no-sail list. Let's set sail. Starting with number 12, upside-down pineapple decorations. Yeah, you heard that right. These are those paper or plastic pineapples people sometimes hang on their cabin doors as a fun tropical vibe. But on lines like Carnival, they're banned because they've become a secret code in the cruising community for swingers, signaling they're open to partner swapping. Cruise lines don't want to encourage that kind of activity, so if they spot one, it'll be removed and you might get a stern talking to. Who knew fruit could be so scandalous? Number 11, Bluetooth speakers, including those handy white noise machines. These are portable devices that play music or sounds wirelessly, perfect for drowning out ship noises in your cabin. Carnival and others have cracked down because they can blast tunes too loudly in public areas, disturbing other passengers, and more importantly, they might prevent you from hearing emergency announcements. Safety first, stick to headphones if you need your jams. Number 10, baby monitors. These are those wireless devices parents use to keep an ear on their little ones from another room. Seems innocent, right? But on ships like Royal Caribbean, they're prohibited because their radio frequencies can interfere with the ship's communication systems, like crew radios or navigation signals. Disney Cruise Line might allow them after inspection, but generally it's a no-go to avoid tech glitches at sea. Number 9, walkie-talkies. These handheld two-way radios are great for staying in touch with your group on a big ship without cell service. However, lines like Norwegian ban them because they operate on frequencies that could jam the ship's essential communications. Plus, they can be annoying if overused. And honestly, with spotty reception through all that metal, they're not even that reliable. Better to use the ship's app instead. Number 8, Heelys, or shoes with wheels. You know, those sneakers with built-in rollers that let kids or adults glide around decks. Cruise lines prohibit them because the decks can get slippery, especially when wet, leading to falls, collisions, or injuries. It's all about preventing accidents in a confined, moving environment where medical help isn't always immediate. Number 7, hoverboards. These self-balancing scooters powered by lithium batteries were a fad a few years back. They're banned across most cruise lines due to the fire risk from those batteries overheating. Remember all the recall stories? Plus, zipping around crowded decks is a recipe for chaos and safety hazards. Number 6, laser pointers. These small devices that project a bright beam, often used for presentations or playing with cats. On cruises, they're forbidden because they could distract the bridge crew, interfere with navigation at night, or even be mistaken for distress signals. In the wrong hands, they might blind someone temporarily, which is a big no on a ship full of people. Number 5, CBD products like gummies or oils. These are cannabis-derived items marketed for relaxation or pain relief, often without the high from THC. But cruise lines ban them because they're not legal in every port of call, and ships follow strict international drug laws. Even if it's hemp-based, it could test positive for banned substances, leading to serious consequences like being denied boarding. Number 4, personal internet routers or Starlink dishes. These are devices that create your own Wi-Fi hotspot or satellite connection for better internet. prohibited on most lines because they mess with the ship's controlled Wi-Fi system, potentially slowing it down for everyone or causing security issues. Cruises make money from their internet packages too, so they don't want you bypassing that. Number 3, surge protectors or power strips. These are those multi-outlet extensions you plug in to charge multiple devices. They're banned because cruise ship electrical systems are sensitive, and these can overload circuits, sparking fires. USB hubs without surge protection are usually okay, but anything with extra safeguards? Nope, leave it at home. Number 2, personal irons or steamers. These are handheld or travel-sized devices for wrinkle-free clothes. Fire alert! Their heating elements can get really hot, and in a cabin full of flammable materials, that's risky. Most ships offer laundry services or have irons available in self-service areas, so plan accordingly. And finally, number 1, candles and incense. These aromatic items for ambiance or relaxation are a classic no-no. Why? Obvious fire risk on a vessel where flames could spread quickly. Even battery-operated ones might be iffy if they look real. Cruise lines are hyper-vigilant on open flames after past incidents, so stick to the ship's mood lighting instead. Whew, that's a lot of surprises, right? These rules might seem over the top, but they're there to keep thousands of people safe on what is essentially a floating city. Always check your specific cruise line's prohibited items list before packing. It could save you from embarrassment or worse. So, there you have it, folks. 12 bizarre cruise ship rules that ban everyday items for reasons ranging from fire safety to avoiding onboard drama. Who knew packing for a vacation could feel like a minefield? If this video blew your mind or saved your suitcase, give it a thumbs up and share it with your travel buddies. What's the weirdest thing you've ever had confiscated? Drop it in the comments below. I read every one. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, safe travels and happy cruising. See you on the next adventure.